This is I.
I.
I is a two-faced sound. We make it by moving our mouth from an A shape to an I shape. Like this.
I.
I goes into words like I, fly, night, light, and tiger. I likes to go into lots of letters, but its favourite is letter I. After all, letter I has the same name as I. In some words, I likes to go into letter I on its own. But most of the time, when I goes into letter I, there are other letters nearby. I loves to go into letter I before empty GH letters. Sometimes I likes to go into letter Y and letters IE. I likes to go into lots of letters, but not a tiger's tummy.